Hey everybody, welcome to Ravenel Ford Videos. Today we're going to be looking at this beautiful 2013 F-150 in front of us here. This truck is an XLT, also a crew cab, gray in color. If you're in the market for a Ford truck, this could be the time to buy one from Ravenel Ford. We're going to talk to you today about the truck, but we're also going to talk to you about the price structure at Ravenel Ford. If you're watching this video and you're not in South Carolina, let me tell you right now, you'll see the price today and you'll be wondering why other Ford dealerships around your area aren't doing this for you. We do it in Ravenel, South Carolina. This one does have a beautiful set of chrome alloy wheels with Michelin tires. Eco Boost, it's going to give you a little better fuel economy. That's a 3.5 liter engine inside this truck and still has plenty of tow and power to get the job done. Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gives it a top safety pick award winner for safety, so that's always a plus when you're riding in there. And also, right here, I want to show you the total MSRP of $40,785. You always want to pay attention to this section right here. That's optional equipment that's been added onto the truck from the factory, depending on how the dealer built the truck to come in. Right over here is the orange window sticker. So this is a breakdown of the price. You won't see a lot of dealerships with these stickers like this on them. We are one of a kind out here in Ravenel, South Carolina. So there's a stock number, 13252. You give that to the salesperson when you call. $40,785 market retail. We sell them for $98 over invoice, which is $37,631, so you can see a discount already happened. $3,500 rebate incentive money available. We're giving it to you. $34,131 is the final price there, and then you can save another $1,500 if you finance with Ford Motor Credit. The savings doesn't stop right here. We got another sticker for you, this little yellow one. You'll notice right here, number 4, no closing or dock fees. So those are those fees at the end of the deal there when you're sitting with the sales guy and he's like, okay, sir, this is the price and here is the dealer admin fee, blah, 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 blah. You're like, I don't want to pay for that. Well, guess what? You don't have to at Ravenel Ford. Come on down, fly into Charleston, South Carolina. We'll pick you up from the airport and put you in a beautiful truck. Tow package on the back, backup sensors, and also a backup camera right under the Ford logo there. So if you got a boat, you can just back right up onto it. Makes life a little easier. A back window that opens and closes. If you got a lab dog and you want him to ride in the back here, throw that puppy a bone every once in a while. Spray in bed liner to keep some grip there for you. Running boards on the bottom, easier to get in the truck with that. Keyless entry, just that simple. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, you're getting it. Gray cloth interior on the seats, looking nice. Fit and finish is nice on all Ford trucks. Cruise control audio functions on the steering wheel. You got a nice little display screen there from Microsoft Sync. Brake gain, USB auxiliary hookups in here. Technology is inside of every vehicle of Ford. And if that wasn't enough, if you got 2 pairs of sunglasses, you and your honey bun going out one night, you can store 2 sets of sunglasses right up there. Man, I'm telling you, they really hook it up for their customers with Ford. Plenty of room in the back. As you can see, you can get a football player back there. He'd be comfortable after a game. And solid and safe, and that's what's important. You want to keep yourself safe when driving a vehicle from other drivers out there. Some people kind of get crazy sometimes. You may be a little crazy driver too, so at least you know you got a safe truck to drive in. Thank you for watching this video today. We are in Ravenel, South Carolina, which is 15 minutes away from Charleston. We'll see you soon.